Everglade snail kite. The curve of the kite's bill perfectly matches the spiral of the shell. A tool evolved for shucking snails. And that's bad news if you're an apple snail that needs to lay eggs. A kite can spot a snail just under the water's surface from 30 feet up. Apple snails do have an escape plan. Back to square one. But kites don't hunt after dark, so nightfall gives an opportunity. She's climbing a blade of sawgrass. Before sunrise, she must lay dozens of eggs. Last one. Mission accomplished.